Listen to me carefully, because what I'm about to tell you might shake you. Right now, at this very moment, someone with half your talent, half your intelligence, and half your opportunities is out there building the life you keep dreaming about. They're not waiting for motivation. They're not waiting for the right time. They're not waiting for permission. They're just doing it. And the truth is, if that doesn't shock you, if that doesn't wake you up, then nothing ever will. Because life is not slowing down for you. The world is not waiting for you to feel ready. Time is not adjusting itself around your procrastination. Every second you hesitate, someone else is pushing forward. And every second they push forward, they're getting closer to the life that you think you deserve. But here's the twist. You deserve nothing unless you work for it, unless you sweat for it, unless you sacrifice for it. Life doesn't reward wishes. Life rewards discipline. And the question you must answer today, right now, is this: are you disciplined enough to fight for the future you keep imagining? You see, most people fail long before their life even begins to change. Not because they are weak, not because they are incapable, but because they are addicted to the comfort of tomorrow. They say, I'll start next week, I'll try next month, maybe next year will be my year. And that's the trap. That's the lie that has killed more dreams than failure ever has. Because failure can teach you. Failure can shape you. Failure can redirect you. But waiting steals everything from you, silently. And you don't even notice it until one day you wake up realizing you're running out of years. You're running out of chances. You're running out of energy to chase what once set your soul on fire. And I'm here to tell you, 2025 is not another year you can afford to waste. It's not just a number on the calendar. It's the year where you either transform or you stay stuck. There is no middle ground anymore. You want to change your life? Then listen closely. Your life will not change because the year changed. Your life changes the moment you change. The moment you decide to take responsibility. The moment you stop blaming your environment, your parents, your past, your mistakes, your circumstances. The moment you stop negotiating with your excuses. Change begins the moment you stop talking about what you want and start doing what you said you would do. Because consistency beats motivation, discipline beats inspiration, and action beats everything. When you wake up early and you don't feel like grinding, but you grind anyway, that's the moment you're rewriting your future. When you're tired but you push through, that's the moment you're breaking your old limits. When you fail but stand up again, that's the moment you're telling life, you will not break me. Some of you are carrying pain. Some of you are carrying disappointment. Some of you are carrying years of regret. But hear me, that pain is not your prison. That pain is your power. That pain is the proof that your heart is still beating, that your story is still unfolding, that your purpose is still alive. Denzel Washington once said, ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. And he was right. Comfort is where dreams go to die. Hardship is where warriors are born. If life is hard right now, good. It means you're being shaped. It means you're being tested. It means something greater is being prepared for you. But you will never step into that greatness if you keep running from the very struggle designed to make you strong. So let me speak to the deepest part of you, the part that wants more out of life, the part that knows you were made for something bigger. Stop living small. Stop waking up without purpose. Stop treating your future like it doesn't matter. Look around you. Look at your surroundings. Look at your habits. Look at your circle. Everything around you is either pushing you forward or pulling you down. And if you stay in the wrong environment long enough, you become the product of your surroundings. You want 2025 to change your life? Then change your environment, change your routine, change your mindset, change your discipline. Because the version of you that you need to become already exists, but you must grow into it. Let me tell you something real. Your life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes in small decisions repeated every single day. Waking up on time, choosing progress over excuses, cutting off distractions, putting in the work even when nobody is watching. These tiny decisions create unstoppable momentum, and momentum creates transformation. When you start small but stay consistent, life has no choice but to reward you. The universe moves for the person who refuses to quit. So right now, ask yourself, are you going to sleepwalk through another year? Are you going to let the world shape you? Or will you stand up, take control, and shape your life with your own hands? Because 2025 will not magically change you, but you can change 2025. If you truly want to transform your life in 2025, then understand this. Your future is built in silence, not in noise. And most people today are drowning in distractions, scrolling endlessly, comparing their lives with strangers, wasting hours on things that bring them nothing but temporary escape. But escape is not progress. Escape is not growth. Escape is not freedom. Escape is the quiet enemy that slowly steals your potential. You think you're relaxing, but you're actually retreating from your own destiny. And one day, you'll look back and realize that the moments you wasted were the very moments you needed to rise. That's why you must learn to sit with yourself, alone, in silence, and ask the difficult questions. Who am I becoming? What am I building? What am I sacrificing? What excuses am I still protecting? Because until you confront yourself, you can't correct yourself. And correction is the foundation of transformation. There comes a point in life where you must stop looking left and right and finally look inward. Your competition is not around you, it's inside you. It's the version of you that keeps choosing comfort over progress, distraction over discipline, fear over faith. That inner opponent is stronger than anyone you will ever face in the world. And if you can defeat that version of yourself, you can defeat anything. The problem is that most people negotiate with that inner enemy. They say, just one more break, just one more hour, just one more day. And that's how the enemy wins. Not with force, but with subtle permission. But champions, real champions, don't negotiate with weakness. They don't negotiate with fear. They don't negotiate with excuses. They decide, they commit, they execute, and they keep going even when their mind screams to stop. Let me tell you something you need to hear. Discipline is not supposed to feel good. Growth is not supposed to be comfortable. If it doesn't hurt a little, if it doesn't stretch you, if it doesn't scare you, then it's not growth, it's maintenance. And maintenance never created greatness. Every great story you admire, every legend you look up to, every successful person you respect, they all have one thing in common. They were willing to endure what others refused. They were willing to stay focused when others were distracted. They were willing to sacrifice when others were celebrating. They were willing to climb when others were resting. So ask yourself, what are you willing to do differently in 2025 that you weren't willing to do last year? Because the truth is, your old habits cannot lead you to a new life. Your old mindset cannot unlock new doors. Your old excuses cannot build new opportunities. You must upgrade yourself. You must evolve. You must level up your thinking, your discipline, your actions, your expectations. And that starts by understanding that your environment is either shaping you or shrinking you. If you surround yourself with people who complain, you will complain. If you surround yourself with people who settle, you will settle. If you surround yourself with people who are comfortable, you will stay comfortable. But if you surround yourself with people who are hungry, driven, focused, intentional people who want more out of life, then something inside you will shift. Your energy will rise. Your belief will grow. Your habits will change. Because hunger is contagious. Discipline is contagious. Greatness is contagious. And hear me, the world you want will not come to you just because you deserve it. It comes to you because you chase it until it becomes yours. Stop waiting for signs. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Stop waiting for motivation. Start creating your opportunities. Start showing up even when you don't feel like it. Start watering your dreams even when the soil looks dry. Because consistency in dry seasons is what separates dreamers from achievers. Anyone can work when life is easy, but only the committed can keep going when life gets tough. And in those tough moments, when nobody is watching, when nobody is cheering, when you feel invisible, that's when your future is truly being built. Remember this: your mind is your kingdom. Guard it. Don't let negativity take the throne. Don't let fear rule your decisions. Don't let doubt steal your destiny. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you believe. And you have more potential than you've ever tapped into. But potential is useless without discipline. Potential is wasted without action. Potential is nothing but a promise, and promises mean nothing without execution. So in 2025, don't just set goals, become the person who achieves them. Don't just talk about change, live in a way that demands it. Don't just hope for success, prepare for it like it's inevitable. Wake up with purpose, move with intention, speak with belief, act with discipline, and walk with the confidence of someone who knows that greatness is not a gift, it's a responsibility. Because when you decide to transform, when you decide to commit, when you decide to become unstoppable, nothing, absolutely nothing can stop you. There comes a moment in every person's life where they must choose who they are going to become, not based on their past, not based on their fears, not based on their circumstances, but based on the fire burning inside their spirit. And if you are listening to this right now, it means that fire is still alive. It may be small, it may be quiet, it may be buried under doubt, failure, and disappointment, but it is alive. And sometimes that flame only needs one spark, one decision, one moment of courage to turn into a wildfire that transforms everything around you. So hear me when I say this: 2025 is not waiting for you to be ready. It's challenging you to rise. It's challenging you to step into the version of yourself that you've been hiding from. It's challenging you to stop chasing motivation and start creating momentum. It's challenging you to stop wishing for change and start becoming the change. You have lived too many years convincing yourself that someday is enough. But someday is not a day on the calendar. Someday is a lie your comfort tells your potential. Someday is the slow poison that keeps you small. And 2025 will be nothing but a repeat of every other year if you keep carrying the same mindset, the same excuses, the same lazy habits, the same fears that have controlled you for far too long. You cannot enter a new season with an old identity. You cannot walk through a new door with an old key. You cannot claim a new future with old patterns. If you want a different life, you must become a different person. And becoming that person doesn't start with a big achievement. It starts with a single decision. I will not live like this anymore. Because change doesn't happen when life gets easier, it happens when you get stronger. And strength is built in the moments where giving up feels like the easier option. Strength is built when you show up tired, when you keep going in silence, when you push through the days that break others. Strength is built when you stop expecting the world to believe in you and start believing in yourself. Too many people are waiting for approval. They want validation. They want someone to tell them that they're good enough, talented enough, strong enough, smart enough. But life doesn't give you validation first. Life gives you battles. And when you fight through those battles, when you refuse to quit, when you stand tall, even when your knees are shaking, that's when you earn your validation. That's when you earn your confidence. That's when you earn the future you dream about. But listen carefully. To become a new version of yourself, you must bury the old one. You must bury the excuses, bury the fear, bury the laziness, bury the endless scrolling, the late night distractions, the negative self-talk, the maybe tomorrow mindset. You must bury everything that has been stopping you from becoming the person you were meant to be. And that burial is not a moment, it's a process. A process of cutting off what weakens you and choosing what strengthens you. Again and again, day after day. A process of choosing discipline over temptation, progress over comfort, purpose over pleasure, destiny over doubt. And here is the truth that most people ignore. Your future is not built on motivation, it's built on repetition. You don't become strong by lifting weights once. You don't become wise by reading one book. You don't become successful by having one good day. You become who you repeatedly choose to be. If you repeat excuses, you become someone who settles. If you repeat discipline, you become someone who rises. If you repeat focus, you become someone who dominates. If you repeat gratitude, you become someone who attracts more. If you repeat action, you become someone unstoppable. It's not your goals that define you, it's your habits. Your habits are the quiet architects of your destiny. So if you truly want to change your life in 2025, then promise yourself one thing: you will not quit. You will not slow down. You will not let your past rewrite your future. You will not let fear steal another year from you. You will not let doubt break the warrior inside you. The world may count you out. People may underestimate you. Your past may try to haunt you, but none of that matters. What matters is that you stand up anyway. What matters is that you fight anyway. What matters is that you chase your purpose anyway. Because your life will transform the moment you decide that nothing, not people, not fear, not failure, will stop you from becoming who you were born to be. And understand this: you are not alone. Every person you admire once stood exactly where you are, uncertain, afraid, overwhelmed, unsure of their future. But they didn't give up. They didn't stay stuck. They didn't shrink themselves to fit their environment. They moved. They grew. They evolved. They took the risk. They embraced the struggle. They walked through the fire. And because they did, their lives became a testimony of what is possible when a human being decides to rise. Your story can be the same. Your transformation can be the same. Your success can be the same. But it will only happen if you start now. So this is your moment. This is your time. This is your year. 2025 belongs to the version of you that refuses to quit. 2025 belongs to the version of you that shows up with discipline. 2025 belongs to the version of you that believes in the impossible. 2025 belongs to you if you're willing to claim it. If this message inspired you, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification so you never miss our next powerful motivational video. Your support helps us bring you more content that pushes you toward greatness. So make sure you join the family and stay connected.